Do you want to just put more newspaper in? I'm just gonna. She wants to tape, so we'll look and see what's going on. She might. You can put some honey on that wound. It's like about a fourth the size it was when we started.
Yeah, that looks a lot better.
Yeah, it's still oozy, but
yeah,
that honey is definitely helping.
It actually is shrinking.
You use honey? That right there, which she's probably gonna say, hey, that smells good.
Yeah.
Nature's best.
God, they've grown.
Oh my gosh, it is amazing.
Can hardly tell where one stops and the other begins.
How much longer do you think they'll be in there?
Oh, probably a few more weeks.